we going?
Yeah.
We're gonna go see Leah? You wanna go see Leah?
No.
No, where are we going right now?
I'm going to the backyard.
Okay, let's go in the backyard. Let's go.
They have they were clean sandals.
Yes, I will put my sandals on. Thank you. What a good girl. There's one sandal, two sandals. Okay, ready? Let's go.
No more poo.
No more poo-poo. Oh, there's Christy. She would call her. She was going night-night.
No.
Hi, Christy.
That's my puppy.
Is that your puppy? Okay, let's see what temperature it is.
It is.
Oh my goodness, it's not even 100 degrees. It's nice out.
Right.
Okay, you ready? Let's go.
Just come in.
Nope, Christy's gonna stay there.
That's right.
Okay, Mama's gonna take a video for Debbie.
That's my dad.
Daddy's going night-night.
Mom. Right.
Is it bright out?
No.
No.
The sun is gone.
The sun is gone. You're right. Where'd the sun go?
It is.
Oh, there's a lizard. Right there. Hi, lizard.
That's mine. Look at my lizard. Mom, look at my lizard.
You gonna get your lizard?
Yes.
Okay, go get it.
I can't get it.
Why not?
Mom, there any poo?
Ew, is there poo-poo? Is it bright out?
Yes.
Yes.
Wait a minute. Hot.
Hi, Christy. Good puppy. Good girl.
Mom needs to water.
Do you need to water?
Yes.
No, I watered earlier.
Mom needs to water.
You do? Okay, Mommy will turn the water on for you.
Why?
You go, honey.
Mom.
What'd he say? Yellow? Can you show me your flowers? Where are your flowers?
That's over there.
Show me. Show me which ones.
The little flowers.
Those are Mommy's yellow flowers. They're so big, aren't they?
That's my orange flowers.
Those are your orange flowers. They're so pretty.
Right.
Is it too hard?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, Christy, how'd you get out? How'd you get out?
Somebody get out.
The puppy got out.
Rest.
Rest.
My puppy get in. Puppy, go in the gate.
Okay, I'll open it.
And we get the soccer ball.
Okay.
Later.
You gonna get your Dora soccer ball?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's make it my girl. Soccer ball.
Christy, come on, girl. Oh, Christy, Christy! Bad girl.
I'm probably get in. I did it.
You did it. Okay. Come on, let's go inside. It's too hot.